What we are doing is a quick inspection, a quick check of the life jackets, right? So we're going to take a look, open it up. We check the cylinder. Okay, the cylinder looks fine. 33 grams, so we are not replacing this one. If it were damaged, it will look like this, see? Not sure if you can see, but it has a hole. This one was triggered at some point, and also it's not good, so this one is for the pin. Needs replacing. This one is fine. Well, keep it. But what we do need to replace is this, which is the automatic mechanism, the one that triggers it when it is in the water. This should have been replaced already last year. Well, we are 1 year overdue, so we are going to replace them all. We'll change them, but for now, I don't have the parts. I order them. I'll check if the shop has them here, and if not, we'll order them online. But for now, what we'll do is to test the life jackets. And for that, we'll use the manual method. And we're going to leave it like that for at least 24 hours. Okay, this is a different type of life jacket, a different type of bulb. So what we have to replace here, well, the same thing, the cylinder. We need to check it, make sure it's okay, right? It's heavy, some people weigh them. Correction, you should weigh them for a proper inspection. The printer weight is the minimum it should have if there still are inside. Right, let's open this. These are all ones, they were already in the boat. So, look here, this one size July 2014 at 11 o'clock. I was told this is not the expert date, this is the manufacturer date. This lasts 5 years, 6 years, so well, 2014, yes, we need to replace it, right? Let's do that. We'll install the new one. Okay, done. This one for kids. This will be ready once the leak test is done tomorrow. Tomorrow this one can be folded and stored away. Right, the life jackets have been inflated all night and they are fine. They haven't lost any air. To store them again, we press here to take the air out. Hold it. What you are saying now, don't try it at home, or in the boat, or anywhere really. I mean, here I am, using a pointed tool to deflate the life jacket. That's wrong, really wrong. Don't copy this. Sometimes you get carried away filming and do silly things. Remember, don't trust everything you see on the internet, and especially not me when I go into DIY sailor mode. To deflate the life jacket, do it properly, and if you are unsure, ask a professional. No, yes, let's see how it's really done. Right, time to pack them back up. Okay, first thing, we need to deflate them. You could use a screwdriver or your finger, but the proper way to do it, so as not to damage this bulb, is to use this nozzle, which is right here, built into the bulb cap. And this is the tool you should use to deflate it, okay? If you haven't done the service yet, remember, now is the time to check one of each, that this part is okay, that this hasn't been triggered and isn't damaged, and there is not corrosion. Otherwise, you replace it. Here you can see the details and replace it yourself. Make sure this is showing green. And also check that this has the correct date. In this case, it doesn't. I have to replace it. But the shop didn't have any, so I ordered them and 6 are arriving this week. So I just need to open this part and change it. That's it. I doesn't have to check the whole thing again. I'll just swap this out when it arrives. So the correct way, well, I'm not sure if it's the correct way, the way I do it. The correct way, if you want for it, look for a professional from Besto. I'm sure there are probably videos out there. Anyway, you fold it here, the way it was. This one folds like this, just like it was. Leave the bulb exposed, the cord that triggers the bulb, in case it doesn't activate it automatically. This is in case the water detector fails. It should open and activate the cylinder when it fills water, but you can pull this manually, like in the airplanes. So the cylinder stays inside here. We close this and this side, and now the side is now ready to be shot. We'll leave this bit sticking out and fasten the Velcro. Making sure the Velcro doesn't get covered by this strap. This stays exposed. Let's move on the other side. If there is a little air left, now is a good time to let it out. Alright, this is similar. This is the whistle. We put it in here, and then we do the same as on the other side. We fold this part, fold this bit like an accordion, and fold this part over here. That's it. It's ready to be closed. So this part is done. I'll just position it like this. Fold this over and we'll close this section. Same accordion fold as before. And now it's closed. We put the Velcro on here. Alright, that's it. We're done. Now we do a proper check of the straps. Make sure that everything is on the same side, that everything is in order. Everything works properly. And now, I like to try it on. Alright, this Lifejacket is now ready. If you replace I don't know how you call it, the bit that triggers, that fires the cylinder. The pressure valve, I guess, is called. Then great. I still have a few more to go.